In Power BI, a few small formatting settings can dramatically improve how your visuals look inside a report layout. In this video, I'll show you 3 quick settings you can use to enhance and control the appearance of your visuals. Most visual design settings are located in the Visualizations panel. Select a visual, then click Format Your Visual. From here, click General, and then open the Effects section. This is where several important visual styling controls live. The first setting is background transparency. There are situations where you may want a visual to have its own background color, and other times when you want the visual to blend into the layout of the report. The second setting is rounded corners. Rounded corners can make visuals feel softer and more modern in your design. In Power BI, this option is only available after turning on the visual border setting. As a general rule, I usually match the border color to the visual background color, so the border itself is not noticeable. So in this case, I'm going to turn transparency of the background to see our color, and then I'm going to change the color of the border to the same blue color. Then adjust the rounded corners value. I typically use a value around 20. This creates a subtle effect without being too exaggerated. The third setting is shadow. A subtle shadow can add depth and separation between visuals. Let's toggle that on. In some designs, this works well, but in this example, the background layout already includes drop shadows. So adding another shadow here would create a double shadow effect, which usually does not look right. So in this case, it makes more sense to leave the drop shadow off. Finally, I'm going to resize this to match the background image. As you can see here, that rounded corner looks like it's more like 10. So let's change that. And that should match our visual background box. A little tricky. There we go. As you can see here, it's snapping to a guide. So I'm going to go in here, select the visual, and I can go into properties and change that 1 pixel at a time. See how that looks. Still needs more. There we go. And those are 3 quick settings that can help you enhance and control the appearance of your Power BI visuals. Small design adjustments like these can make a report feel much more polished and intentional. In future videos, we'll explore additional techniques for creating clean, professional Power BI report designs.